This is a look at the most exciting luxury electric cars coming in 2026. For years, we've been hearing about the promise of electric cars, but 2026 is shaping up to be the year where that promise is fully delivered, especially at the high end. The major players, and some ambitious newcomers, are pushing the boundaries of what's possible: massive leaps in battery tech, charging speeds that rival a gas stop, and luxury that redefines comfort. These aren't just electric cars, they're technological showcases on wheels, blending brutal acceleration with near-total silence and opulent interiors. The definition of luxury is being rewritten. Think private jet comfort, sci-fi tech, and personalization like never before. Today we're diving into the quirks and features of the 5 most important luxury EVs of 2026. Let's see what makes each one a potential king of the electric era. First up, the Lucid Air. A car that's gone from upstart to industry benchmark almost overnight. In just a few short years, Lucid has managed to shake up the luxury EV world, earning a reputation for pushing boundaries and redefining what's possible in an electric sedan. The 2026 model is set to keep its crown for range, targeting over 500 miles on a single charge, enough to drive from LA to San Francisco and back, with miles to spare. That's a level of freedom and convenience that few, if any, competitors can match, making range anxiety a thing of the past for most drivers. But the Air isn't just about efficiency. The Sapphire model packs a tri-motor setup with over 1,200 horsepower, launching from 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. That's hypercar territory, delivered in a package that's as refined as it is thrilling.